So today is Tuesday, July 26th, and we are in eastern Colorado. We're getting close to the Kansas border. We got an isolated cell going up right now. Hoping it's gonna produce some good looking structure later and stay isolated. So we're gonna keep moving, get in front of it, and hopefully it'll start looking good here soon. Alright, so this is tornado warned right now. We are just south of Stratton, Colorado. I'm not seeing anything right now. There's definitely a big hook echo on the radar. So I'm definitely like keeping my eyes peeled, but not seeing anything yet. It's been tornado warned for a while. It's kind of like high precipitation, so it's kind of hard to see everything exactly, but I don't know, it's looking like there could be a tornado. Definitely possible given that radar indication. There goes the tornado warning. Alright, so it lost its tornado warning briefly, and then this south end is looking to be tornado warning now. So I'm gonna shoot down there. See what we can get. This storm's kind of challenging with all the rain, but I'm gonna stick with it. I'm right by the hook right now, seeing what this thing will do. Gosh, I've been with it for so long, but geez, this is a tough one right now. Geez. Woo! It's moving southwest, so I might drop a little bit further south, just to stay ahead of it until it does develop into, like something more potentially. We are between Ordway and Lyman right now. The storm's moving pretty quick southwest, so I'm probably gonna have to get back in the car here soon. We got a lot of scud on the bottom of this thing. Yeah, I'm gonna bust my camera out and try and get some video and pictures of it, and probably scoot along here soon.